Hi students, welcome back to the Some Applications of Trigonometry Part 2. In the earlier sections we have learned the definitions and the relation between the opposite side, adjacent side, and also angle of elevation, angle of depression, and one example also we have seen. Today's section I would like to explain you few more examples. Are you ready? Come on. Here is an example for you. Here, one electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal, and also would enable her to reach the required position. Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? Here is a question. What is that? Once again, she has to do the work, a repair work. Now, here a point should be remembered. The ladder is leaned against the wall. How? 1.3 meter below from the top of the pole. According to the question, we need to find the length of the ladder and also what is the horizontal distance to be maintained. If you draw the figure, it will be like this. Let us assume AB is the height of the pole. Now AC 1.3 meter below. Now BC will become 3.7 meter. Now the angle maintained with the horizontal line, that is theta, is equal to 60 degrees. Now we need to find BD value and also CD value. It is given. What do we need to find? BD value and CD value. I have written here clearly. See, before doing the problem, what are the values are given? What are the values are need to be find? What are the relationship between those values? For suppose, what is the relationship between BC and CD, BC, BD? Okay. Now, based on this theta value, this already 90 degrees, this will become as a hypotenuse and this will become as adjacent side. Now, BC will become the opposite side. So, the relationship between the opposite side and adjacent side, nothing but, what is the relation? Tan theta. And opposite side and hypotenuse, the relation will be sin theta. So the relationship between BC and CD. So BC by CD is equal to sin 60. Using the trigonometric table, sin 60 value root 3 by 2, BC value 3.7, 3.7 by CD is equal to root 3 by 2. Do cross multiplication. CD value 3.7 into 2 by root 3. It is 7.4 by root 3. Multiply the numerators together, 7.5 by root 3. So when the denominator is an irrational number, we should not leave as it is. We should multiply with its conjugate. So 7.5 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, which is 3. So when we multiply root 3 by root 3, so it becomes 3, I said you already. 3 table if we cancel, 2.46 into root 3, 2.46 into root 3. Now root 3 value we can write as 1.732. If we multiply the both, approximately 4.28 meter. So what is this one? CD. CD is what? From the question, CD is length of the ladder. Similarly, we can find the horizontal distance also. Now, BC by BD is equal to tan 60. BC value already we got it, 3.7 meter. 3.7 by BD is equal to root 3. Now, doing the cross multiplication, BD is equal to 3.7 by root 3. Then BD is equal to 3.7 by root 3. I told you previously already, Now the denominator should not be an irrational number. We should not leave as it is. We should multiply and divide with the root 3. Now root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 table, if we cancel, approximately 1.23 into root 3. Root 3 value 1.732. Multiply the both 2.14 meter. So what we are finding, this is BD. BD is what? According to the question, horizontal distance. From the question, what is the length of the ladder? What is the length of the ladder? 4.28 meter, and also the horizontal distance will be 2.14 meter. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.